What's up, guys? It's me again from its creators of the Riches FX. And before going into today's episode, I want to use this opportunity to also wish you guys a happy new year. And I hope this year will be filled of so many cash outs, so many prosperities. If you believe, type amen in the comment section. So, guys, in today's episode, we'll be talking on the ultimate guide of a broker. That is the ultimate guide of a Forex broker. I know a lot of you guys will be wondering, oh, I've made a video on who a broker was and what a broker does. But today we're talking about who is a broker and what a broker does. So guys, stay tuned as we go into this episode together. So guys, who is a broker and what a broker does? As we all know, the foreign exchange market is a place where buyers and sellers can trade different countries' currency with the intention of making profit as a retail trader. So, have we thought about this way? What makes it possible for we, the retail traders, to be able to go into a market where trillions are being pumped in every day with our little amount of money in our account and still trade and make profit or make money out of the market that particular day? That is because of a broker. Not until the 1990s, actually, the forex market was actually made for the big guys. So the foreign exchange market was made for those guys with large capital. We're talking about millions of dollars running into billions of dollars. So with the introduction of a broker, we as retail traders can go into the market with our little capital and also take trade in the same market that those big guys are taking trade. So that has been possible because of the coming of a broker. So a broker stands in between the market, we the retail traders, and also help us take orders to the market with our little capital. So the broker is a very important aspect in the foreign exchange market that we do not have to joke with. So we need to know the importance of a broker and what a broker actually does. Who is a broker, guys? Ask yourself this question. Simply say, a broker is a financial institute or an individual that facilitates currency trading or any financial asset trading for retail clients or institutional clients. Just take it for instance, someone that helps you as a retail trader with your $100 account, your $200 account, your $1,000 account, scaling to $10,000 account, $100,000 account. Someone that makes it possible for you to trade in a market where trillions, we are talking about trillions, where trillions, on what trillions are being done. You can come in with your own little amount of money and then take a trade. Those things happen because of a broker. So don't be left out with the idea of I don't have $100,000 to go into the foreign exchange market. No, with the introduction of a broker, with as little as $100, some brokers even accept as low as $50. With as little as $100, $50, you can take part in the foreign exchange market bit by bit, and you scale up. So what does the broker do? So guys, if you come across this video, it is not by coincidence. I believe there's a reason why you came across this video. Maybe this video is actually for you as watching this video. So I wouldn't want to just slide through the video and without any engagement. So you guys, you know what to do by sharing this video, liking, comment below anything you want me to talk about in this video or in our coming episode. I'll always be there for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also click the notification button so you'll be notified anytime I drop videos like this. So what does a broker actually do? A broker stands as an intermediary between the trader, that's the retail trader, and the market. It gives the retail trader access to the market That is why you as a retail trader, you can come into the market with as low as 50, $100 and still take part in foreign exchange. That's what a broker does. It gives you access to the foreign exchange market. Secondly on my list is that a broker provides platform, tools, and resources for me and you as retail traders to be able to analyze the market. Platform that they provide is for you to trade. Platforms that you can take trade, that you can watch your trade, you can manage your trade. They provide also resources like technical, very many resources for you as a trader to be able to go into the foreign exchange market and take trade in the foreign exchange market. So we can see that a broker is a very important aspect when it comes to foreign exchange trading or financial trading. You can't just do without a broker. And it will be very important for we to know that a broker earns money from either spread, commission, or little fees that are being charged on the trader. So guys, that is the end of today's video, and I hope this video you find it very insightful and educative. On our next video guys, we'll be talking about factors, things to consider before choosing a broker. So guys, don't forget, stay tuned, stay notified. When I drop that video, you will first to get it. Thank you guys. We all know how we do it, by we educating people out there, by you sharing this video to those that you feel or you think it will be useful to them. And also comment below topics, questions, anything you want me to talk about when it comes to foreign exchange. Comment it below, and I'll always be there to give you insightful explanation about anything that comes to do with foreign exchange. Like the video, share to your loved ones, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the notification button so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be notified. So guys, thank you and God bless. That comes to the end of today's video. Trade wise, trade freedom. Trade live, trade freedom. Thank you guys.